Hi, this is RUDRA Surgical from Mumbai. Today I am going to show you LED light source 180 watt, and this is backside of this machine with start button and power adapter cable. So we have to fit this in the socket and another one in. So here we have started this machine. FOC cable. This is start and stop button. And this is intensity increasing, and down button is for decreasing the intensity. For further more details, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number or on our email ID. Thank you.